Some call me nature. Others call me Mother Nature. I've been here for over 4.5 billion years, 22,500 times longer than you. I don't really need people, but people need me. Yes, the future depends on me. When I thrive, you thrive. When I falter, you falter. War was. But I've been here for eons. I have fast species greater than the I and I have star species greater than you. My oceans, my soil, my following streams, my forest, they all can take you or leave you. How you choose to live each day, whether you got and disregard me, doesn't really matter to me. One way or the other, your action or the determined of fate, not mine. I am nature. I will go on. I am prepared to evolve. Are you?